Good afternoon, everybody. We are back, and we are still cold, still rainy, still gray outside, but we're here nonetheless. We got Dark Bro FIRST first in the chat. Dark Bro baby, Gorilla second, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Tim, Frank, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Bender, Dark Bro, Tim, Bender, Gorilla, Bender, Dark Bro. All of you guys, glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing at 996 today, up 8.85%. Very strong day for AMC. Nothing but bottom left to upper right action, almost a 10% gain. Absolutely phenomenal, testing that $10 mark. Shiba Inu coin, crickets. Shiba Inu coin sitting sideways all afternoon long, really not taking around at all, 798 points per coin, down 0.50% on the day today. GameStop not doing nearly as well as AMC, sitting 2.36% lower on the day today, $12.81. The QQQ finishing at 349.20 and sitting at 349.03 after hours right now. Came up, hit that intraday high once again right here. Boop, boop, touched it twice, bounced back off a little bit and ended, I don't know, roughly $1 lower at about $349.20 off that 350.44 right there. NASDAQ, very similar to the QQQ, tapping out and then coming back down a little bit. Dogecoin, 6.93 cents. Ethereum sitting at $17.99, right at that $1,800 level of now support. Resistance if it falls down through. Shiba Inu coin, 800 points per coin. Bitcoin sitting at 34.4 right now, bouncing off 34 flat, coming back up a little bit. The SPY, 415.61, 349.20 on the QQQ. Mullen Auto, 25.40, up just slightly after hours. Sundial sitting at $1.35. Netflix, $410.08. Highcroft Mining, 21 cents. MPW, 483. Tesla losing pretty hard today, $197.50, down 4.80% on the day today. Amazon, $132. Amazon performing very well, 3.89% higher on the day. Apple sitting at $170.29 at the close, $170.06 after hours right now. Bouncing around just a little, looking like it wants to come down there, and probably going to be pulling the QQQ down a little bit with it. We're going to watch Bitcoin unless, of course, something starts to spike. Where Aaron at? Aaron? What do we get with Aaron? What is Aaron? Let's see. Where LFG token? Where Aaron? Yeah, we got to see what's going on. Slackers. All the slackers. I need to get that, I need to find that Pika sent. Can I download that? If I could download that, I'd put that on YouTube. So you guys can use that one as a sticker. What? Why do I not see that anywhere? Huh. I don't know where that PFFT sticker is that Pika made, but I can't find it. Oh, hold on. Nah, I can't download it. It's got to be the picture of it. Man, she sent a lot of cool stuff. I gotta download that. I like that. What? Why can't I? Yeah. Save that. That's actually pretty sweet. And then a bunch of bananas. I don't have that PFFT one though. Alright, I'm gonna have to find that. I don't have that but I gotta get it. All right, jump to the present. Back to the chat right now. Sorry about all that, guys. Coming back. I was looking to see if I had one of those stickers from Pika, but I do not. But she did send a really cool "Let's get started, bro" fist bump type of thing. It was really good. What up, fam? Dark Bro, what's going on? DD214, DD214. Oh yeah, Gorilla. Good afternoon, fam. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I did have a good weekend, Brian. I hope you had a good weekend as well. We did immediately. Yes, we do. Bitcoin starting to pull back a little bit, guys. We go on live stream a couple of minutes ago, and then boom, 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 boom. Nothing but purple lines coming on Bitcoin right there. Let's see, is Aaron... Is this a token? Dark Bro, is that a token? I don't even know what Aaron is. But let's look at LFG. And then I do want to look at... I want to see how X Shib's doing as well, man. Luffy, oh dude, for as volatile as Luffy is, it's only down 3% of the day today, which is not bad at all. Oh, getting hit pretty hard, actually, man. Coming down to the 58 point per coin mark, or 5.8 point per coin mark, back up to 7 right now. But on the month, down pretty heavy right there. Dude, a bounce up in LFG would be phenomenal. Only sitting at a $7,000 market cap right now. And dude, the $34 in volume over the last 24 hours is a pretty hard hit. Let's see what Dark Bro, literally, it's Dark Bro's coin, man. He owns more than 50% of it. So let's see what X Shib is doing right now. X Shib is sitting at 5 zeros and a 36. Let's see where that puts us in terms of the hourly chart. Dude, the hourly chart looking phenomenal, Dark Bro. What the heck is going on here? Dark Bro ripping, man. What's the daily look like? Dude. I mean, you guys see, this is sitting on $3,600 in market cap. Dark Bro bought it with a $140 market cap, man. Oh, Aaron is short for everyone. Oh, where's everyone at? Gotcha. Look at this, though. This is the daily for Dark Bro's X Shib. Boom, 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 boom. Ripping. This is the daily for Dark Bro's X Shib. The market cap right now is $3.6 thousand. Dark Bro got in that coin with a $146 market cap, man. It is a 30x increase. Dark Bro's about to rug them all. Dark Bro's about to rug them all. Oh my gosh, man. Dark Bro about to rug them all. That's hilarious. Dark Bro, man. I did not look at X Shib all weekend long. So that's actually crazy. This is the first time we looked at it all day today, too. That's actually crazy, Dark, that you're sitting on a $3,000 market cap right now. And you've added, what, like 3 or 4 holders over the weekend. Okay, I get it. Nobody knows about this coin. Why would they buy it? That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Even if Dark went in. Now, Dark Bro, I don't know this, right? And this is something you should look at as well. And for anybody interested in like, you know, potentially buying into this or whatever, please don't be aggressive with it. Obviously, it could fall in a matter of minutes. And who the heck knows who actually started this coin. Dark Bro just went out, bought a little over half the supply, and he's seeing what he can do with it, right? A little experiment there. But Dark Bro, if it was like a $146 market cap, I don't know how much money you ended up putting into it as it started to tick up. But let's just assume it was somewhere around $100. Okay? I'm not sure. That's just an assumption. It could have been more, could have been less. Dude, and I know that you cannot go out there and sell it, because if you do, you are literally going to rug it, and it's going to rip down in price. You'd have to stair step out very slowly. But theoretically, if you found the liquidity, so if you wanted to sell $5 today and $5 tomorrow, $5 or whatever amount, dude, what does it show you what it's worth? I mean, theoretically, if you put 100 in when it was that low, you should be sitting on close to $3,000. in X Shib right there. Now I say theoretically because you can't go out there and just sell it, right? You can't. Look at these buys and sells. $1.84, $21, $20, $28, $1.60, $20, $22, $42, $2, $24. Like, you know, you're not going to be able to go out and just drop 3,000. It's going to rug the whole coin. But, dude, if you wanted to go out there and sell a couple dollars here and there, and you ended up having the buys, and you own 50% of the market cap, dude, okay, you should be sitting on maybe closer to $2,000 since you own half the coin right there. Interesting, man. Interesting. And for anybody that wanted to know, Dark Bro is this wallet right here with 54%. Dark Bro's got almost 55%. Pancake Swap's only sitting on 13% now. I don't know if this is Michael Allen or if this one's still Michael Allen. Somebody else, you know, some other whales kind of developing right there. But, yeah, dude, that's very, very interesting to see how that is playing out so far. And the fact that nobody's rugged it. Dude, Dark Bro, man, I'm hoping it turns into something, dude. Look, and I have to say hope, right? Because I don't want anybody in here just going to buy it or whatever. But, dude, if this ends up going, if you know, maybe your Twitter account catches on or you get a viral TikTok video or whatever. But, dude, if you rip this from 3.6 to 36,000, you could be sitting on like 15 grand that you could slowly start ticking. If it goes up to 100K, you could be sitting on like 50 grand, dude. We're going to keep an eye on Dark Bro right here. We're going to keep an eye on Dark Bro and see what this dude's able to do with X Shib, man. Then we're going to be ripping a bro coin faster than you guys can sing zippity doo-dah, man. This is wild that over the weekend, Dark Bro basically 30x'd on his, don't take this the wrong way, worthless coin. Who you have to pull up ball swap chart, making moves. Let's check it out, Brian. What do we got going on here? Yes, around 3,000, very nice start. Yeah, Dark Bro, cogging the lower leg helps your brace and hold your balance through your impact. Something, don't know exactly about what we're looking there, on the rug maybe. I'll help you push it, Dark Bro. I got mad followers and groups ready to jump in. Crypto Master, there you go. Full transparency, about 55.6% of the supply when the market cap was $140. And essentially, I am building around the coin, creating social media profiles and websites. Yeah, dude, he's basically doing what the Shiba Inu coin team did with Shiba Inu coin, except he's telling them what he's doing with it. And, hey, he does plan on burning some of the coin. All right? So he's got a little roadmap out there that as more and more holders come in, he's willing to burn some of it too. He's not just going to go take that money. So check it out if you guys want to check it out. And there's no accidental way of having both your legs in that position. He lifted his legs, balanced and braced himself. I have no idea what's going on right now. Head hurts bad. Yeah, Kombu, man. I don't know what was going on there, dude, but you sent a pretty wicked picture earlier. It looks crazy. Hey, do me a favor and look at my old landscape company, Brightview, and based off the chart, what do you think? Brightview. Let's look up Brightview real quick. Brightview Holdings. Let's see if this is what we got. So right off the bat, man, weekly chart, okay? This goes back all the way through September, or through, I don't know what this is. End of June, beginning of July of 2018. So it's been out for a while. You guys already know that I do not like charts like this. Down, 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 okay? And there could be several reasons for something like this happening, though, right? This is what I don't like, but this is very likely the IPO, and then everybody that has worked for the company or invested in the company that was finally allowed to sell their stock. Once it went public, they began to sell. You'll see this a lot when IPOs are priced incorrectly. The private holders from before will go out there, finally liquidate their positions, and watch it dump back down. It did get a nice little bounce. Of course, tested a new low right there. Very interesting, but they did the exact same thing as all the other companies during 2020, 2021, and had a nice rally on those lockdown lows there. went up very nicely, and since the bear market has begun, they have basically been coming down to test even lower lows. So I would have liked to have seen either holding steady or solid gains after IPOing, but this could simply be because whoever took them public decided to go at a price that was too high, or the fact that all of the private holders ended up selling. So kind of ignoring that right there, this part isn't that bad. I can't fault them for having a high IPO. They made more money. So looking at this, man, it's honestly not that bad compared to the overall market. Everything got ripped with those lockdown lows. They did very nice, and then they've been following the bear market lower ever since. So, and this is on a weekly chart, so this is basically the peak, May, June of 2021 here, and then nothing but lower prices. So, yeah, I can't really complain about a chart like this, even though I don't like the fact that they do nothing but hit lower lows. With this decline already starting, I think it's very, very likely that you test a lower low than $5 there. Only based on their past performance. They've had nice bounces down, nice bounce, and it's already curling back over and curling hard. So I would watch the support if you're interested in buying into that old company. I'd watch the support line right there at about 520. If it begins to bounce, I'd say you might be good to go technical wise. If it falls through, don't catch it until you hit a floor. Best I can do, because I have no idea what they're doing or what the landscaping business actually looks like right now. X Shiba to Pulto. Dude, wouldn't that be sick if Dark Bro came in, picked the perfect coin out of a bunch of rug pull city on Dex tools, got in and actually made like $100,000 or something? Dark Bro, that would be absolutely amazing, man. Let's see. Oh, is it Shiba Ape Yacht Club? Is that what it is, man? I forget what the Crypto Master, I forget what the acronym is now. Sold out already, bro. 100% minted out. The NFTs are already going for 300. Hey, Crypto Master, how much money? And I don't know if it's your project or another one. How much money did you guys raise in that? Because I've seen Shib Co-op, and you don't have to tell us, dude, but I mean, we could easily do the math if you just tell us how many total NFTs are out there. So it's not really that big of a deal if you let us know. But I've seen Shib Co-op do very well with their like little chicken NFTs. Shib Dream did very well on Shibarium. And I don't know if they've minted out, but they're getting a lot of attention right now. And their NFTs are about $150 a piece. And it makes me wonder, and you guys need to start thinking about this, are NFTs trying to make a comeback? Because a lot of people said NFTs were going to die out. And after that bear market really started, and you watched Bored Ape Yacht Club go from $1 million value down to like, I don't know what they're at, $70,000, $100,000 or whatever they're trading at right now. Yeah, dude, it's obvious that NFTs were dying. But we've seen those little chickens with Shib Co-op do very well. Shib Dream has done very well. The Shiba Ape Yacht Club seems to be doing very well. And it makes me wonder if these NFT projects are making a comeback here, and if there's money to be made. If you've got these NFT projects starting back up. Because all I'm trying to point out, guys, is if there's opportunity, don't let it ride by you. Take advantage of it, man. We've been sitting in this stupid bear market for way too long. Not to dip our toes back in and not to make some money on the way back up. We don't want to be that old grumpy guy that's saying, rah, 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 it's never going to go. And then, the all-time highs passes by. Let's see. Bro, I would literally crap. At me too, Dark Bro, and I'd be very happy. 10,000. Wow. Okay, so Crypto Master, 10,000 NFTs. Okay, some of them are trading at $300. So let me ask you this, right? And this is just, be clear. Clearly they've minted out, so you guys have already, or whoever's project it is, has already made their money. That's fine. Like, what was the mint price? Is it a ridiculous amount that these people brought in for the mint, or are they focused more on like the taxes, the transfers of those NFTs after the mint in order to generate the income there? Because one, nobody can mint anymore, so it really doesn't matter at this point. And two, all of that information's public anyway. I could go to their website and just check and see what the mint price was and all of that. 5 bone was mint. Okay, so very, very cheap mint price. That's not bad at all. But guys, 5 bone times 10 grand is nearly, I mean, it's like 72 cents a bone right now, or 76 cents? What is bone? I think it's like 76 cents. I looked at it earlier today. I think it might be 76. Yeah, about 76 cents a bone. So, dude, you know, you're talking $4. That's 40 grand. It's 40 grand right there on those NFTs minting out like that. That is absolutely phenomenal, dude. And the fact that 10,000 were minted out, it does show you that there's still a huge demand out there. Huge demand. So I think that is absolutely incredible. Crypto Master, man. Congratulations on that one. And if some of them really are going for $300, dude, that is phenomenal. People made a sick return on those NFTs, and I hope they make even more money on them. Kombu says, 100 grand. Dark Bro gonna make 100 mil minimum. Dark Bro, if you make 100 million minimum, dude, just remember the bros, dude. Just remember the bros. That's all I gotta say. Kombu, thinking positive, man. I love it. You know what? I have not looked into Jesus Coin at all. The Yo Man Yo. I believe Jesus Coin is something that Levi, right? I see Twitter posts all the time from Levi about Jesus Coin. I have not looked into it at all. Let's see if it's listed on CoinMarketCap. I don't know which one it is, dude. Is it one of these, or is his project completely different? The one that he pumps. I'll take a look at it if you know which one it is, but I don't know which one he's got. Floor price 9 bone? Nah, dude, everybody's making money, man. Everybody basically doubled, and that floor price is looking pretty good, Crypto Master. Bro, what if I am Satoshi? Think about it. I'm a hooded figure with a coin named X Shib. You know, I don't know if I've seen you two in the same room before. Satoshi was in here once. And Satoshi has been in my DMs, and he didn't strike me as you. So, unless you were really playing me, he didn't strike me as you. So, I would say you did a very good job of keeping your split personality split. If you really were Satoshi. Yeah, I'd say you did a pretty good job of keeping your split personality split in that situation. Always remember the bros. There you go, Dark Bro. I like it, man. I was minting for a little while, but don't know why, so I stopped. What can I really do with my NFTs? Can I resell them, or am I just stuck with it? Bender, I don't know if you were talking about the Shiba Yacht Club NFTs, or if you're talking about a different one, man. I'm not exactly sure. So NFTs, you theoretically could sell them if somebody wanted to buy them. I don't know where. I don't know if they're listed on OpenSea. I don't know if there's some sort of a Shibarium NFT marketplace or what the deal is with the NFTs, or specifically with Shiba Yacht Club. But one thing you do notice is because you cannot split up an NFT, when the prices become very, very expensive, you're basically stuck with them, man. You're basically stuck with them, which is why I thought it was borderline genius that the guys that started the Bored Ape Yacht Clubs and the Mutant Ape Yacht Clubs and all of that stuff, that they gave a lot of ape coin to everybody that owned those Bored Ape Yachts. I think it was something like $240,000 that those people received in ape coin. As soon as ApeCoin launched at like that $20 price point, I believe it was something like $240,000 that they had. And clearly right now with ApeCoin at like $1, I hope that all of them sold. But, you know, some of them I'm sure did not sell. Yeah, dude, $1.37. back in this area right here, dude, when it shot up. No, I guess maybe it launched at $10. Maybe it launched at $10 and shot up to almost $30. I still think it was somewhere around $200,000 that these guys had in that area. Yeah, I think that was a phenomenal idea because it provided liquidity. Dead near impossible to sell $1 million NFT because who besides Justin Bieber is going to be buying $1 million NFT? And they gave them liquidity so they could go out and sell these coins on the market. And when they began to sell, guys, it started to move down very quickly there. So, yeah, I don't know what the deal is with all these NF, like Shib Co-op and Shib Dream and Shib Ape Yacht Club and all of that stuff. I don't know what the liquidity looks like there. Haycoin. Yeah, let's check out Haycoin, Giovanni. We were talking about that earlier. Can you make money on it with the price being so high? Yeah, absolutely. Because I think there's only 19 coins out there. Haycoin. All right. So let's look at it in terms of market cap. Because, yes, the price of this coin is high, but it's a $1.6 million coin right now. It has already been up to a 4.9, almost a $5 million coin right here. And it's come down in price since then. It's only been out for like nearly 2 weeks. Not even. It's been out for about 10 days now. And this coin does have a very, very high price point. However, you do not have to buy a full coin. So the same way that Shiba Inu coin trades for 0.000001, you could go out and buy 0.000001 Haycoin. So if you want $100 in Haycoin, go buy $100 in Haycoin. And you can see that since the launch, it's down 34%. If it goes back up 34%, your $100 turns into $134. So you got to think about it in terms of market cap. Nobody's going to be going out and buying full Haycoin here. Let's see what this looks like. Gosh, dude, 5,000 holders already, and it's been on 10 days. Dark, man, can you imagine if your coin gets up to 5,700 holders? You know what? Let's look at transfers. All right. So, yeah, if you're looking at these levels, man, these are still pretty high quantities. But 0.001, 0.00004, 0.004, 0.001, 0.002, 0.002, 0.002, 0.003, 0.003, 0.008. You still can go out and buy these small quantities of Haycoin, which is absolutely fine. And in the holders, like, look, nobody even owns one full Haycoin, right? Holy smokes. Dude, the vast majority of the Haycoin is burnt? That's wild. 91 Haycoin in the dead wallet? That's crazy. So, yeah, some of these guys do, however, own a lot. So, John Palmer, whoever the heck this fella is, he owns 0.2 Haycoin. Each Haycoin is about $1,400. He owns nearly $280,000 worth of Haycoin. Now, the question for Johnny is, when did Johnny get in? Because what I want to know is, and it's not looking too good based on the graph, did Johnny get in with nearly $500,000 and now he's sitting on $250,000? That would be tough to see. So let's see what Johnny did here. And clearly nobody knows who John Palmer or ETH is. I don't know who he is. You guys might know who he is. He's got his own name out there. But let's see what John's doing here. John has 5 pages worth of Haycoin transactions. All right, John is not going to be a good example. Oh, dude, 11 days ago, John was thinking ripping 1.5 Haycoin. Wow. This dude went in. Look at this. And this must have been crazy. John went in, received 1.5 Haycoin, and then burnt? All right. I don't know if John created Haycoin. John's got a little bit of a weird... John's got some weird transaction history on Haycoin. John seemed to have burnt like $2 million worth of Haycoin just on the first page, and he's got 5 transactions. So, I don't know. I don't know about this one here. That is, wow, man. All right, yeah. John's got some crazy Haycoin transactions there. Let's not look at John. Let's look at somebody else, man. Let's look at somebody else. This dude's sitting on $100,000 worth of Haycoin right here, and he has been doing nothing but accumulating for the last 17 days. So you know what I want to see, because Haycoin's chart on CoinMarketCap does not go back 17 days. So I want to see where this dude was buying in 17 days ago and what he's turned his money into. I'm going to take the address there. I'm going to go back over here to X Shib. We're going to put it in. It is got to be this one. Jiminy Christmas, man. This is nuts. All right, so what do we got on the daily? Okay. And I don't know if this market cap is correct or not. This market cap is clearly different than the $100 million that's being shown as the market cap on CoinMarketCap. So DexTools market cap is definitely different. This could be just in this pool right here. But let's look at this, man. Whatever wallet that is, that dude was stacking when Haycoin was at $756,000. He rode it all the way up, a nice near 5x increase, and he's rode it all the way back down now to a $1.4 million point. So what we're looking at this wallet right here. This dude was buying 17, and he bought all the way, not all the way up, 7 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He bought on this little dip right here, and he's buying again right now. So you know what? I'm going to say this dude is basically at his average now, that he continues to buy in there. But this was a pretty big purchase. 0.01 when it was at $750,000. This dude dropped like $7,000 on Haycoin right there and rode it up and up and up and up. Doing very, very well, man. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it works out for these guys. I don't know. Sitting on a tenth of a $1.5 million coin is crazy. He's sitting on about $150,000 worth of Haycoin right now. And of course, nobody wants to see the price going down when you're sitting on $150,000 worth. But if it goes back up to here, man, he's gonna make another $150,000, $200,000 if it gets back up to these all-time highs. So Giovanni, yes, you can make money on Haycoin. You just don't go out there and buy. You can't go out there and buy a whole coin. You know what I mean? Like, that's the hard part. Let's see. I have a whole roadmap dedicated to this. Very nice, Dark Bro. Ads. It is ad time. Just call me T. Guys, let me know if you get the first ad, if you get the second ad, if you skip the first ad, if you skip the second ad. Please and thank you. Don't watch both of them. Just skip the second one. It counts as 2 ad views if you skip the second one. So thank you very much for letting me know that it was 4:30. If you're talking about Shiba API Club, you can relist them for $100 or more. Check the rarity. Very nice. Crypto Master. Good deal, man. What's up, Clay, bro? Man, when meme coin season rally, do you think 2025? Possibly see a bull run early 2024. Sean, I think it's possible that we see a bull run in early 2024, yes, but I don't think that that's going to be the exponential FOMO rally. So I think we've got Bitcoin ETF talk. I think we'll eventually get Bitcoin ETF approval, and then we're going to have Bitcoin halving. Then things will probably die down a little bit. Things might get stagnant again. But following the same cyclical nature of the Bitcoin market, or of the crypto market, and of Bitcoin, yes, 2025 would be the exponential rally higher. So we still do have time, but I think we're going to see some volatility kicking up here with the Bitcoin ETF approval. with Bitcoin halving, and then maybe a period of a little stagnation depending on what people got going on. Let's see. Clear, would you be so kind to pull up this map, the roadmap X Shib on the X profile for just a moment? Absolutely. Is the one with sunglasses. Oh, okay. She says the one with sunglasses. We'll look at that right after I... Hold on. Let's see where we're at here. I got to go to Chrome again. No. There it is. There it is. This one. Roadmap. Fall of 2023, 55.6% of the total supply of token was acquired 10/24/23. Burn address add 10/27 to reduce the total supply of tokens. Roadmap development began on 10/28. Successful test burn transaction 1 million was complete on 10/27, reducing the supply from 1 billion to 999 million. The goal of the priority, yes, buy tax is 2%, sell tax 2.32%, contract ownership is renounced. Burns will begin as liquidity holders levels reach or increase. Once 150 holders is achieved, the first burn of 22.5 million will take place. Holy smokes, man. Dark Bro, are you burning all of the tokens that you have? Dark Bro, you got to make some money, man. Don't burn everything that you have. You need to make some money. Those numbers were... How many do you have? Let's get 549 million. Okay. 15 million, 15 million, 20 million, 20 million. All right. All right. So he's got some. He's going to have some remaining. I was like, well, okay. That's not bad then. Good deal. Hurrah, did we get an ad? Tim, I believe you just did get an ad. If you didn't get an ad, I want to hit you with another one, man. Hey, coin. So if you put in $100 and it goes up to 5 million, wouldn't that mean you made an additional 300? Yeah. Roughly. So, I don't know. Was it 1.4 right now? Yeah. I mean, you would have made an additional like 257 based on the current numbers. But yes, you're right. You're right, Giovanni. It's still all percentages, dude. So it like the 1.4 up to the 5 million mark, you basically 2.5 times your money or 3.5 times your money, going from 100 to about $350 there. The ones I got from Coinbase, summer thing, minted NFTs through them, can't do anything with them, can share it on X if I want, or some other media site, but nothing about selling them. Pointless, I'd say. Bender, and it very well could be. I don't know what NFT that would be, man. Mind-blowing. People don't realize the profits of easy content of a kid's channel. 2 months, and I'm averaging 100,000 views a day. Matt, very interesting. So what kind of content are you posting right there? Is it you in it, or you reposting content? What are you doing with it? Because no, I think people do understand that these kids get a lot of views. The competition, however, is extremely high. So what's your strategy with it? Clear part 1. Got caught up in the chat earlier talking about the bracing and balancing. I was talking about the way that hockey player accidentally kicked the other player in the throat. Number 2, having played hockey since I was in high school, I'm almost certain that it was intentional. He didn't mean to kill him, but knew what he was, and it very well could have been. Yeah, Frank, man. I know those hockey dudes get in a lot of trouble. Right, and they get in a lot of fights in the game, but dude, when you're, I don't know. I didn't watch it. I don't really want to watch it, but I don't know how a ski could or a ice skate could go up to somebody's throat unless he was laying on the ground. I guess that's the only thing that I can think of. Indubitably, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Indubitably. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate that one, man. And thank you very much for the fist bump. Loving it right now, man. We need geopolitical factors to settle in a bit. A couple major conflicts going on. Interest rates need to start coming down before you get that bull market. You are absolutely right, Brian. Let's see. If all of those levels are reached, I will have approximately 376.5 million tokens remaining, and it will continue to burn as we grow. Dark bro, I love it, dude. A Claybro, A on AI is Shibarium. It just went on Shibarium, just went live the other day. It was top 5 on Dex Tools. So that's something that I've not seen. Let's see. Yeah, you might be talking about this one, right? This is on Shibarium here, on the Shibarium network. Went live 6 days ago, it said, and has gone from 3 zeros and a 6.9 to 2 zeros and a 1.6, nearly tripling in price. Not bad at all, man. Already a $65,000 market cap and $20,000 locked in the liquidity pool. Money, 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 man. Money, money, money. 60,000. Dark bro, if your coin gets to 60,000, just imagine how well off you're gonna be. And all it's got to do is get to the same level as this Aeon AI token that's out there. I'm pretty bullish on XRP. Seems like XRP is going to blow up soon, especially institutions ETF. What's your thoughts? Or what's your opinion? Yeah, I agree. So as long as XRP is free and clear of any lawsuits, appeals, SEC intervention, I like XRP. I do think that Ripple is revolutionizing international finance in the way that they've got those cross-border payments. I think that it's going to be better, bigger, faster, cheaper than anything that you can do right now. How big are they going to get? I don't know. I've got hopes for them to one day be $1 trillion company, but I don't know if that's going to mean $1 trillion in XRP or if they're going to go public and that means $1 trillion in their stock. So that's the only kind of question that I have about them right there. I'm going to be honest. I would not be against a SHIB and a LUNC reverse split. I know it's against the grain, but especially with SHIB, a reverse split might not be a bad thing. Well, Sean, there's no way to do it, man. There's no way to do it. So in order to have something like that happen, you would essentially... I really don't know if there's any way to do it. So in order to have something like that happen, you would truly need access to the contract or the liquidity pool or something. You would need to force people over to a Shiba 2.0. Because if you're going to be reverse splitting it, you need to get rid of that supply and reintroduce, half the supply or 1/10 of the supply or whatever. And in order to do so, you need to make the current Shiba Inu coin worthless. Nobody's got access to the contract. So you could theoretically, ask people to bridge their SHIB over, to move their SHIB to a layer 2, or to move their SHIB to a V2 or whatever, but every single person would have to do it. Every single person would have to do it. You're not going to get every single person holding Shiba Inu coin to transfer it over. And there's no way that they could touch those coins that weren't transferred over. So, SHIB, probably impossible. Terra Luna Classic, it still is possible. When's the next FOMC? Dude, they started talking about it today, so I'm wondering if it's on Wednesday. I saw headlines about it this morning. Let's see if it's on Wednesday. Yeah, it's on Wednesday. Oh, you guys could see that the whole time. Yeah, FOMC meeting is on Wednesday here. You got the interest rate decision coming out at 2 o'clock like we always do. And then Jerome Powell's going to take the stand at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time like he always does. Oh, boy. So, consensus right now, interest rates are going to be held steady at 5.5%. But everybody's going to be looking at Jerome Powell to see what he does here. I don't like this. I don't like that it's already coming up on Wednesday. Because if you look at the NASDAQ, if you look at the QQQ, if you look at the daily chart here, we are dangerously close to breaking down through these levels of support in this area. And if we do, Jerome Powell could absolutely kick us down through this 337 level or make us meet this 337 level. And dude, if he does, we've got a little support at 320. But dude, we're looking at 308, 300 again before we really reach support. We've broken the ascending trend line that took place all of 2023, and we've had a very negative last 2 weeks. Going into Jerome Powell here, he could absolutely be the catalyst. We got one more, let's say we got one bad day, brings us down back to here, and then Jerome Powell, boom, just basically smacking us down through that support level on Wednesday. I would not like to see it, but that could be what we're setting ourselves up for. Dude, we got one or two bad earnings reports ahead of the FOMC conference. All of a sudden, we're right there testing support. Jerome Powell opens his mouth, and then, boom, we're dipping through. Love for my coin to have that big of a market cap. Dark, bro, I think it'll be sick, man. Clay, what's the deal with the SEC trying to get $770 million from Ripple to drop everything? Seems like extortion, right? Well, Gary Gensler and the SEC are basically like legal mafia men. So the fact that they regulate the markets and nobody regulates them, it very well could be extortion. Now, okay, I don't know if I haven't seen any actual numbers like that. But the judge did decide that when Ripple sold XRP to institutional investors or sophisticated investors, that was constituted as the sale of a security. And I don't know how much they raised doing that. I don't know how much they sold to institutions, and I don't know how much they sold to sophisticated investors. It was not considered a security on secondary exchanges. So when you and I go to buy it, not considered a security. So I don't know if that's a percentage of the money that they raised. I don't know if that's a very heavy percentage, if it's a low percentage or what. But that's basically what I would assume is that, okay, you did something bad. Now you got to come out and pay for it. They're fine. So I don't know where it stands in terms of percentages, but I mean, theoretically, if a judge decided they did something incorrect, I don't know if they're going to be able to not pay that. Look, Roth long-term retirement portfolio closed 0.01% higher today. Very nice, Frank. Today's top stock, number 3, Amazon. Very nice. AT&T, not T-Mobile. On number 2, and Coney, the champion of the day, Sean Guerrero. Thank you very much for the super chat. Sean says, gotta show love and support for Clay, bro. Thank you for taking the time to answer and communicate. $500 coming your way one of these days. Once the goal is hit, Jesus loves you. Blessings. Woohoo! Sean Guerrero, baby. SG Music. New tunes coming, by the way. Yeah, guys, I think that Sean, is it SG Music? Is that the name of your channel? Sean's got a YouTube channel as well, guys. Make sure to support him and go check out his YouTube channel. Sean, thank you very much for this super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And look, I know a lot of you guys might be thinking, dude, I can't wait to send a crazy super chat if I make a ton of money in the bull market. Please, none of that is expected. I want to make that type of money right alongside of you guys. If that's something that you want to do to have some fun with your money, absolutely. If you want to keep it all, please do, man. Sean, man, thank you very much for that super chat. And I definitely look forward to making some sick money with you guys in the bull market. And it is going to be very nice, dude. Oh my gosh. And please, make sure to check him out on YouTube if you guys haven't already. Sean, you say it's SG Music. Perfect. SG Music, if you guys want to check them out on YouTube. Brian, the government shaking citizens down. That's called taxes, baby. Get against the guy to play. Whoa, he does have to pay for it somehow, Tim. Hey, bro, good time to buy XRP. You know what? XRP's at like 58 cents. It's a little expensive right now compared to the past, but I think it's always a good time to continue buying XRP. I got to pull up the graph. As long as we don't run into some overall crypto market turbulence, or as long as the SEC doesn't hound them too hard. So XRP sitting at about 58 cents, yes. So you guys can see it here. XRP sitting at about 58 cents. It's up nice on the day today. 3.5% gain from the 55. and I don't know, about a 5-6% gain from these levels down here at 55 cents. Over the last week, it's performed very well, going from 53 to 58. Over the last month, dipping down to about 48, jumping up higher all the way to 58. Now, this is the graph. This is what I want to see, a break up through this resistance at 53. A break up through resistance. It broke up. This is resistance, guys, and it did break up through that level. So XRP on a technical standpoint might be looking at testing 60 to 65 cents before it really gets held up again. I would love to see it testing 70 cents, and I'd get pretty excited. These 80-cent levels, it was testing 99 cents that day. So I would really love to see XRP testing $1 again. Is it a good time? This is a very bullish annual graph. If you look at this graph right here, okay, we can actually look at the 1-year graph. If you look at this 1-year graph right here, that's a little more than 1 year. That's about a year. You can see it isn't beautiful, right? But it's still a very slow, very steady ascending trend line. Ripple comes up a little bit, touches a higher low, pulls away, comes right back down, pulls away, essentially comes right back down, rips up on the news that the SEC lost, comes right back down. It is following this slower, this steadier ascending trend line over the course of the year right here. Now, is it a good time to buy? I don't know where this rip is going to take you to. I don't know if it gets caught up in this area right here. I don't know if it gets just caught up in this tiny little area that it wicked up to, this 55-cent area, or what. If you're looking at the annual graph, and honestly, you could steady it out just a little bit better if you want it, and you could make it look something like that if you wanted to pull it all the way back to June and all the way back to like the 30-cent lows right there. But what I would say is anywhere in this area on this line would be an excellent buy. As it's going higher, okay, but if you're trying to hold long term, you might have to hold through a little bit of a pullback right there. And dude, that's just to follow the higher lows that have been hit over the last year and a half. Clearly, when Ripple wants to rip, dude, it can rip way up through these lines, and it can go to levels that you wouldn't even expect. So, yeah, dude, Ripple is an interesting one, but depends on how aggressive and how conservative you are. I think Shiba's cheap right now, nearly the same price 2 years ago, especially if it goes to the all-time highs again. It'll be very cheap. When X Shib to the moon, Clay bro gets 1 hour straight. Oh, God, dude. Dude, if X Shib goes to the moon and you send 1 hour of straight Superman chats, I am going to pass out, almost guaranteed. Made $800 on XRP, bought at 48 cents. Boom, Giovanni. Very nice, man. And look, I don't know if you took those gains yet or not, but excellent trade, dude. Excellent trade. Make sure you still have exposure to the upside if it's going to be a long-term hold for you. If it was a short-term trade, you did very good, dude. $800 in a matter of days. Awesome. Wow, made it on. Didn't think I would since I had to do some daddy stuff. Suzuki, glad to have you in here, man. Appreciate you. My 4 scheduled buys: Bitcoin Cash, XRP, and crypto or Kronos, crypto.com or Kronos. Not financial advice. It's just what I do. There you go, Tim. And I like that. It's a decent portfolio. You got 3 strong coins right there, and I believe a very nice exchange coin that during the next bull market is going to see. I mean, not XRP, but Kronos should see a lot of growth when crypto.com experiences a lot of growth during the next bull market. Look at this 1 year. Look at this 1 year graph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. Yes, Frank. It's very difficult for me not to want to sing Nickelback when I tell you guys to look at this graph. So, one of the other YouTubers posted a video asking, is Shiba Inu becoming too serious? Good question. I don't know if Shiba Inu coin is becoming too serious. I think that, just me to answer it, right? I think that there's too much reliance on the ecosystem team. I think that people have too much reliance on a team that doesn't matter. So, if that's what they mean by serious, sure. But me personally, I think Shib is still a meme coin. I think Shib is still only going to be determined by the community that holds it. How is it almost 5? Dude, I have no idea, Dark Bro. No idea where the time went there. 1 hours of Superman starting at 5 minutes till the end of... That would be dirty, Frank. That would be dirty. That would be very dirty, Frank. I can't believe that even went through your mind, man. Get him started on something. Next level, calm down. You guys can't keep me over like that. Holding XRP for quite a while. So much talk on it going up, and more institutions using XRP. Yeah, Giovanni, I agree with that talk, dude. I agree that XRP is going to have a lot of adoption over the coming years, man. Hey, bro, guess who viewed my profile yesterday? Awana. Nice! Dark Bro, man. Makes me a little jealous, not going to lie. What the heck, dude? But glad she did, dude. I hope Wana comes back one. I hope Wana comes back. And I hope Wana doesn't feel like she needs to send a single super chat or anything. I just want Wana to hang out in here, man. It's not that hard to hang out. Just even to come say hi during the day. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. What's the deal with certain YouTubers defending the Shibarium developers? Giovanni, man. I don't know, right? I really don't know. Maybe they feel like if they stay in their good graces, they're going to be better off, or the developers will promote them in some way. You know, the developers have a decent poll on Twitter. They've got a lot of supporters over there and a lot of followers, but I don't know why. If you feel like somebody's doing something wrong, say you feel like somebody's doing something wrong. If you feel like somebody's doing something right, say you feel like somebody's doing something right. But I don't know, man. Kind of defending people just based on how many followers they have or the fact that you're afraid of them or something is kind of crazy to me. So I really don't know. Kind of figured it out. Satoshi is... Oh my gosh, dude. Next level. I hope not, man. But that might make sense with all the riddles. Thank you for the rose. 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 I still see those NPCs on my TikTok, man. I'm waiting for TikTok to just stop promoting this NPC stuff so I don't have to scroll through it anymore. It's crazy. What's the scoop on Shib the Metaverse? Tim, I have not heard anything about Shib the Metaverse really since the ETH Toronto event when they had that, very strange skit that they played. And in the, video that they had of essentially Satoshi and Cal and very seductively dressed Marcy Jastro in the Shib the Metaverse. So I have not really heard anything at all on that since then. Spit on my coffee. Brian, keep the coffee in your mouth, man. I got an argument with December DeMarco about Shibarium developers. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Some guys like him, some guys don't like him. You are correct. The devs are taking themselves too serious. You're the same with my sentiments about Shiba Inu as well. It is just a meme token. It's just one of the memes at the very top. Yeah, Suzuki. It's right. You're right, man. Now, I don't think that Bone is a meme token. I think that Bone belongs with the layer 2 blockchain Shibarium. Bone's a gas token, the same as Polygon is, right? Polygon is a fork, or Shibarium's a fork of Polygon. And Bone is the gas token used on that Polygon fork. Leash, I mean, they don't give you too many exclusive deals, but Leash, you got that out there. But Shiba Inu coin, man, it is the meme of all memes. And I have no idea how it is already 5 o'clock. That was actually a very fast live stream. Sean, dude, thank you very much for that super chat staying at the top of the screen almost the entirety of the live there. Absolutely appreciate it. Get your names in the chat right now, though, guys. We're going to be doing some shout-outs, and then, of course, we're going to be back with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch them 100 times. Click the like button once, and leave 10 comments on them if you would. Pretty please. Let's do these shout-outs, though, and we'll be back, man. Brian, enjoy your evening. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose, man. Frank, enjoy your evening, man. Tim, see you later, dude. Dark Bro, have a good one. Brian, see you later. Giovanni, next level. Brian, Suzuki, enjoy it. Old Rounder, Frank, see you later, man. Dark Bro, peace out to you. Suzuki, have a great evening, man. Giovanni, see you later. Bender, later to you. Gorilla, Brian Searing, see you later, man. Next level, Tim, Suzuki, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you, Old Rounder, Kombu, have an awesome day. Dude, Kombu coming in super late on that one. I was about to click, but I'm still here, so. Kombu, I see you. Kombu, thank you. Thank you very much, Kombu, for the mustache. Thank you, Kombu. I see you. Kombu, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I was literally ready to click it. I was just counting, and I saw it come across, so I gotta hit it, man. Kombu, enjoy your evening. Suzuki, Giovanni, Dark Bro, Kombu, next level, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.